How to create a blog with Hostinger quick and AMP. Easy. Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a blog with Hostinger in just a few steps. First, go to Hostinger's website and click Get Started. Choose a hosting plan. Shared hosting is great for beginners. Next, create an account using your email or social login, then complete your payment. Now, pick your domain name. Make it unique and relevant. Hostinger often includes a free domain for the first year, so check for that offer. Next, install WordPress. In your Hostinger dashboard, click Manage and use the auto installer. Set up your WordPress account with a strong username and password. Once WordPress is installed, customize your blog. Go to Appearance to choose a theme that fits your style. You can personalize it further by adding widgets, editing menus, and creating essential pages like About and Contact. Start posting. In WordPress, go to Posts and click Add New. Write your content, format it, add images or videos, and publish your first blog post. Finally, install essential plugins for SEO, social sharing, and security to keep your blog running smoothly. And that's it. Your blog is ready. If this tutorial helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy guides.